Hi guys, it's day number 11 today. So today, I'm so excited doing this. How sad am I? I'm kind of 43 and I am so excited about opening an advent calendar. Anyway, I'm sure there are people out there older than me excited about opening an advent calendar. Right, so day number 11. What did we get? So day number 11's here. So we've had a few of the Perfect and Protect range. Oh, wow. Wow. This is a number 7 High Shine Lip Crayon. Whoa. So what's really good about the lip crayons from number 7 is you don't have to faff about sharpening them. They do go up. However, I am not sure if it's a shade that I will wear, so I'm not actually going to swatch it. Just in case I can pass it on, but it's really good to see a Christmas red in there. In fact, I might swatch it because I am potentially doing a collab, and it's a red lipstick collab, and it's about whether we wear red lipstick or not. So I will get back to you on that one. So day number 11 and look fantastic. What does day number 11 bring? So day number 11, here we go. Oh, it's wrapped up like a little cracker. Day number 11. Right, here we go. I wonder what it is. Oh! Tan Luxe Super Glow. I've never seen this before. Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum Gradual. Now, I love gradual face tanners because I cannot tan to save myself. So these little products that you just drop in your moisturiser or just pop on like this are ideal for me. So I am looking forward to not being as pasty in January. So apply directly to the skin, avoiding the eye area. So yeah, I'm going to try this during January or the end of December. I start feeling really pale and pasty, especially this year because there's no holidays. So yeah, I love getting products that I've never tried before. And that's what I miss about not getting some of the boxes. But then they did become quite repetitive, and it would be Lord and Berry, and it would be, you know, it would necessarily not be bringing in some things that I hadn't tried before or heard before. So I do like to try something completely different like that, and I'll let you know how I get on with that. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Bye, guys.